Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using cheap and unreliable surge protectors that put your devices at risk? Introducing the 6-outlet wall mount home series, the game-changing solution you've been waiting for. This top-rated surge protector is a must-have for anyone looking to safeguard their electronics. With its sleek design and impressive features, it's no wonder that thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and value. The 6-outlet wall mount home series offers 6 surge-protected outlets, providing complete protection for your entry-level computers, peripherals, kitchen appliances, and more. The 1045 Joule energy rating gives you standard protection for your basic electronic devices, with a maximum spike current of 45,000 amps. You'll love the illuminated LEDs that indicate your devices are grounded and protected, giving you peace of mind and a sense of security. Imagine being able to plug in your devices with confidence, knowing they're safe from power surges and spikes. The 6-outlet wall mount home series makes it possible, with its rugged design and durable construction. The lifetime warranty and $50,000 connected equipment warranty give you added protection and reassurance. Whether you're using it for your home office or kitchen, this surge protector is the perfect solution. It's easy to install, and the LED lights provide a clear visual indicator that your devices are protected. With the 6-outlet wall mount home series, you can say goodbye to the hassle and worry of damaged devices and hello to a safer, more reliable way to power your electronics. So why wait? Get your 6-outlet wall mount home series today and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.